I'm traumatized by boiled egg. But today, I'm going to change that. If level 3 doesn't blow my mind, boiled eggs stay cancelled. My mom used to scream every morning before school, "Eat it before you go." I had to push it down while almost choking at the doorstep. Meet Bobby, the ordinary egg. But Bobby doesn't want to be ordinary anymore. Level 1. We start with boiling the eggs. Give them a cold wash immediately so it's much easier to peel. Very important to make the cut. Not only they will soak in the marinade, but also they won't explode later. I learned my lesson the hard way. This recipe went viral in China. Apparently, you can grill boiled eggs. I love myself a little roast, so gotta try. First round of roast, then we sprinkle chili powder, 5 spice, cumin, and sesame. Make sure it's well coated all around, and we go for second roast. Bobby after tanning and the new hairdo. This is nothing compared to level 2. Bobby in his most Chinese time of his life. This one builds strong character by breaking them first. We transfer broken bobbies into rice cooker. Now comes the most important ingredient. If you ever find yourself in a Chinese household, never touch anything that's wrapped in a suspicious plastic bag. They are either expired 20 years ago or worth more than your future. Premium black tea. Tea egg is one of my go-to power snack when I lived in China. They are just so available, anytime, anywhere. Outside school, next to subway exit, even on top of a mountain of touristic spots. You will always find some auntie with a huge pot of tea eggs that's been soaking there. Level 2 teaches Bobby something important. Flavor takes time. But time alone doesn't make you special. Level 3 is conflict. If this one fails, Bobby stays basic. Make some cuts for the flavor to go in. Drop it like it's hot, hot, hot. We want that golden crispy tiger skin. This is how we separate eggs from legend. I've never made tiger skin eggs. Growing up, my grandpa would throw tiny quail eggs into his braised pork. They just disappear into that thick, dark sauce. I'd always be digging at the bottom of the pot. So this time, I let Bobby take the main stage. Little bit sesame and spring onion on top. Time for the final taste test. Level 1, grilled egg. The edges of the cuts are crunchy. The whole egg tightened up after roasting. Now it has a chewy, rubbery texture that kind of snaps in every bite. Like the egg signed up for gym, but skipped leg day. Quoting from my middle school teacher, better, but still some work to do. I give it 6 out of 10. Level 2, tea eggs. As you peel it, it's like unwrapping a tiny gift. Look at that marble skin. The first hit is umami. After soaking overnight in soy marinade, the yolk is dense and creamy, and gentle tea flavor lingers at the end. Egg white is seasoned through. Every bite is balanced. The flavor here is so unique. I know, adding tea to boiled egg sounds wild to most people, but you will really be surprised how well it works together. Even with the overnight wait, I still give it 7 out of 10. Level 3, tiger skin egg. Look at that, every fold is holding onto the sauce. Wow, the skin is crispy but soaked through, like it built layers of texture just to trap the sauce in. I'm calling for emergency rice. Bobby just found his soulmate, and I'm pretty sure the S stands for sauce. Oh my god. First you get that sweet, thick umami sauce, and then the crispy tiger skin, creamy yolk with more saucy rice on the bottom. Bobby in its ultimate form. You're beautiful. I never thought ordinary boiled egg could taste this good. I guess sometimes ordinary just needs a little bit of care to become special. 10 out of 10, Bobby. You're a 10. I still have 27 eggs left. Level 4? So that's Bobby. The ordinary boiled egg. If you ever think boiled eggs are boring, think again.